This is my installation review of the Century 2900 fireplace insert. Bought at Home Depot, 1600 bucks. Here's my original fireplace before I got started. Put the electric outlet in the back and capped off my original gas assist. Here you can see I've installed my liner and shoved rock wall insulation up there to stop the cold draft and to help keep the heat in. Here's another image, same thing. Here I'm having a little problem. It's not gonna fit. It's 1 inch too tall. So I'm gonna have to do some cutting. Here I've tarped it off, stop all the dust and rock chips flying around the living room. I decided to take out a couple of bricks to help lower it into place. Lo and behold, she fits like a glove. I'll do a quick little test burn to make sure that no flames are coming out the top.